All right. Hey guys, Professor Marvin here. Several of you have brought it to my attention about this problem with question one in the chapter 8 homework. And so, what you can see right here in McGraw Hill, it says expression error right here. I've reached out to McGraw Hill. They're working on it, their tech support's trying to figure it out. But what I've done is I think I've cracked the code for everybody's individual assignment. So, this number of units, what you need to do, what it looks like it's doing for most everybody, is down here in requirement 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's giving us these different levels um, for the flexible budget, and then in part 3, conditions are improving. One possible result is sales volume of this particular question is 18,300 units. Prepare a simple budgeted income statement if 18,300 units are sold. So the value for this problem, for this question, is going to be 3,000 subtracted from this number, okay? So this particular problem, it's saying 18,300. So if this person were to try 15,300 up here in the top part, and then do your division around your variable costs and pop those into the table down below, you should be in good shape. If that does not work for you, please reply to this message and tell me that it doesn't work for you. I'll log into yours and see if it's doing some sort of other math for your particular problem. So give that a shot. Hope it works. Thank you for your patience. Have a great day. Go Gons.